Okay, we're going to be graphing parallel and perpendicular lines or finding their equations. We have a given line, 9x plus 3y equals negative 3. We want to find the equation of a line where it is perpendicular but passes through the point 8, 4 and parallel to that line, passes through the point 8, 4. Let's recap here what the concepts of parallel and perpendicular and slope have to deal with. For perpendicular, we know that slope times slope has to equal -1, and for parallel, we know that our slopes must be equal. So first we need to take our given equation of a line and find out what is our slope to begin with. So we're going to take this, and we're going to change it to y equals mx plus b. So I have 9x plus 3y equals -3. I'm going to minus 9x both sides. I'm going to end up with 3y equals -9x minus 3. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel. And our y equals mx plus b version is y equals -3 goes into 9 3 times x, and of course this is -1. So our given slope is going to be -3. So up here, the slope we want for parallel is going to be a -3, and for perpendicular, it's going to be positive 1/3. Now, we are given certain points, so we're going to use what's called the point-slope equation of a line, which is y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1. So for the perpendicular, we're going to use the slope, the point 8, 4, and the slope of 1/3. And for parallel, we're going to use the same point, 8, 4, and the slope is going to be -3. Let's do the perpendicular first. We're going to do y minus 4 equals the slope 1/3 positive x minus 8. And we distribute, and our next line is going to read y minus 4 equals 1/3 x minus 8/3. We're going to add 4 to both sides. Now here's where the tricky part is. Let me bring this over here. We have -8/3 plus a positive 4. That's a whole number, so first thing we need to do is change that whole number to a fraction over 3. So we ask ourselves, what over 3 equals 4? And of course that's going to be 12. So we're plus 12/3. And this, of course, you subtract and you end up with 4/3. So our intercept here, our final version, is going to be y equals 1/3 x plus 4/3. Now for the parallel version, we plug it into the point-slope equation of a line. Again, we end up with y minus 4 equals -3, and we have x minus 8. We distribute. The next line reads y minus 4 equals -3x plus 24. Double negative makes a positive. We're going to add 4 both sides, and we end up with y equals -3x plus 28. We're going to plug this in. We have y equals